main inspiration for making this video for today is the fact that I bought this clutch cable with good discount. It's additional improvement that you can save money with old car. I just bought this clutch cable dirt cheap online. And today we'll see, was it wise decision or not? Patrick's Garage. For decades, we have been buying spare parts in stores. I like to buy car stuff in regular auto parts stores, but now the parts that we need are not always available. Old-fashioned tradition to buy spare parts only in auto parts stores. Now you can buy online a lot of spare parts more cheaper with good discount. Yes, more easy, more convenient to buy spare parts you need at one place in a store that specializes on your car brand. If you choose this way, you save time for searching spare parts. But you can save a lot of money buying spare parts online. You should be able to designate, is it crappy part or is it quality part, right? Now the parts that we need are not always available. To determine the quality of part, first of all, you must take it in your hands and carefully examine it. Clutch cable should be in high quality because by this cable we handling our clutch and this process should be enjoyable. Clutch system should be in perfect condition so we can enjoy get fun all the time when we shifting gears, and for achieving enjoyable driving process all the parts should be in perfect condition so we get the most pleasure when we shifting gears. I don't know where they made it. They produce spare parts in Denmark, in the United States, and in China, of course. But any case, they made this cable at the factory under quality control. They specializes in producing aftermarket spare parts. For a lot of cars, I have been buying their parts for suspension for my old Volvos. They're known for their quality and reliability. Their parts can be comparable to OEM in quality and reliability. Now, let's get out our clutch cable from this package. So, right here you see quality clutch cable. Here is the two adjusting nuts. We can adjust cable by these nuts. So, if we compare these cables, we can see difference in thickness, which I bought in hardware shop looks more weaker. I don't want it tears anywhere while I go through downtown, so will be better to replace it in advance today than I'll be do it on the ground in winter in the future. And there is nothing difficult to replace this clutch cable yourself. These days, OEM car parts are so expensive and car repair is extremely expensive. And you are like me, you don't want to pay anybody to do anything. You can repair your own car yourself. You can replace this clutch cable. You can do simple things like this yourself and you save your money. We should be careful about which brand of cable we choose for our car. This cable appropriate only for 140 series. Here is my self-made cable which I used before. So you see that this cable so thin and not so reliable and pleasure in handling. So now will be better if we replace it. You see, I'm losing these nuts, and now we can disconnect the ball from the clutch fork. Now we so used to replacing clutch cable, and we can do it more faster than before. It's more challenging to do on the ground in winter. Protective rubber cover not so good. They put salt on the roads in winter, so maybe there is a high probability that it'll be rusty without rubber cover. Hence, we are going to put the new cable with a rubber cover. Also, because predecessor, you see, non-original, self-made. So this cable worked a little, but now its predestination be only like pattern. We'll put it on the shelf in the garage. Here should be a washer, not a small nut, rubber bushing inside, and washer and nut from side of interior. Picture washer number 25, bushing 24, another washer 26, and nut number 27. And this part's not available with new cable. New cable only with two nuts which for adjusting. So if you have all parts, technically you could replace your cable yourself. As long as you do properly, of course. But it's not only a replaceable job. We need adjust cable. If you not adjust cable properly, clutch bearing will wear out faster. Or you can't shifting gears. So we put out pedal for more convenience, for good access. Here you see adjustable nuts with cable. This ball which pulls the clutch fork. Here pedal pulls this end of cable. Here is no nut, no washers, dust cover. So if you can't adjust the cable, your best bet is to bring your car to a mechanic and have them to install or adjust your cable. Here I put a plastic washer, clutch cable so worn, but we can compensate it with adjusting nuts. Who wants to have fun with shifting gears? This pedal should be in perfect condition. This bushing with grease inside. All parts must be in good condition. So you don't need anything more than this. Here we see nut which was from beginning, also old bushing and washer. But here new nuts which was with cable. Cable should be adjusted. Here should be gap, play approximately 3 millimeters. This just because bearing not touches the pressure plate. And here also should be return spring, so it can provide this gap. Now we check this gap, and maybe it's more than enough, but shifter works normally, so maybe later we can check it again. I'll put a little note in my glove box to check this cable. Shifting perfectly fine, so we can continue enjoy our driving.
Thanks for watching.